In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. So in order to go to the safe mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to activate the power menu. Once you do that, you can slide this circle with two arrows into the reboot or restart option and wait for the phone to restart. Soon after that, you will see the Xiaomi logo. And we need to wait for a little vibration. It's going to be a tiny bit of vibration. Once it happens, you want to press and hold volume down button. So once you feel it, which should appear like after a couple of seconds, so just patiently wait. There we go, I just felt the vibration, so now I'm gonna press and hold the volume down button and keep holding the volume down button until you see the lock screen. And there we go, now as you can see, we are in the safe mode. We can easily unlock our phone, of course. And now if you want to exit the safe mode, you can restart your phone. So once again, I'm gonna use power and volume up to open the power menu and just slide down to reboot the phone. And once it restarts, you will be back into the normal mode. Keep in mind that if you go to the safe mode, the airplane mode is automatically enabled for you. And if you exit the safe mode, the airplane mode is still there, so remember to turn it off to have access to mobile data or Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, for example. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.